Hi, I'm Kel from Promenaid, and today we're going to be unboxing a Promenaid handrail kit. So a couple of things you should know before taking the kit out of the box. Number one, handrails are long and thin, so they come in long, thin boxes, which means that sometimes they can be damaged during transport. So you want to check that both ends of the box look undamaged and kind of wrapped the same way. If one of them has been taped up or repaired, you might want to take some pictures before opening it. Don't worry, any parts that might be missing or damaged will be replaced by Promenaid. But taking a picture can't hurt if you think that the box may have been damaged. The second thing is that FedEx and UPS and all the carriers will not accept packages more than 8 feet long. So if you have a handrail kit that's 9 or 10 or 11 feet long, it's going to come in 2 pieces with a splice that makes a very smooth connection between the 2 handrail sections. That's for another video. But just to know that the box is only going to be 8 feet long, so don't panic if your 12-foot kit comes in a smaller box. And if you do get a box that's not the size that you expected, maybe you changed your mind about the length, or there was some other issue that makes you look at the box and say, that's not exactly what I want, don't worry, call the toll-free number that's right on the box, and Promenaid should be able to help you out with a replacement part, a longer or shorter railing, or anything you need for proper installation. Enough said, let's dig into this box and see what you get. So I'm going to take a sharp knife, but be careful not to cut through too deeply into the handrail. This box has a seam. If you cut along the seam at the top, then it's going to prevent cutting into the handrail, because the handrail is on one side of the seam. So we're going to open the box completely on the 2 ends. Let's see what's inside. So a handrail kit is made up of 3 major components. The first one, you can see right here, is the railing itself. So this is an aluminum extrusion. I'm going to take it out of its plastic protection, and you'll notice that it comes with a piece of vinyl, kind of a rubber-like extrusion inside the aluminum channel. That's going to be used later to provide a nice grip, an anti-slip grip on the handrail. So if you have the aluminum, you've got the first and most important component of the handrail system. And the other things you need are brackets. This 3-foot kit comes with 2 of them. And end caps to finish off the railing. Again, 2. And the last thing is a little package of hardware that includes set screws to attach the end caps to the railing and screws to attach the brackets to the wall. And there's a toll-free number on the instructions where you can call if you need any help at all installing your Promenaid railing. Thanks for tuning in.